Welcome to Baby's Boo World, where every story teach a little life lesson. Parents join in and help your little ones grow with stories full of meaning. A story about being yourself. High above the green hills and sparkling rivers floated a small, fluffy cloud named Kelly. Kelly was as white as cotton and as soft as a marshmallow. She floated happily across the sky every day, watching children play, birds and flowers bloom. But Kelly had a secret wish. I want to shine, she whispered one day. As she looked at the bright, golden sun, everyone loves the sunshine. It warms the earth and makes everything glow. I want to shine like that too. The other cloud laughed kindly. Silly Kelly, said Big Grumble, a large grey rain cloud. We are clouds. We float, we rain, and we shade. Shiny is not for us. But Kelly didn't give up. Maybe I can be like the sun, she thought. If I try really hard, I can glow too. So the next morning, Kelly woke up early and flew higher than ever before, hoping to reach the sun, but the closer she got, the hotter it became. Her fluffy started to melt into teeny drops. Ouch, that's too hot, cried Kelly, quickly floating back down. I guess getting too close to the sun isn't the answer. Then Kelly had a new idea. She flew near a rainbow that had just appeared after a light rain. Rainbow, she called, you shine with so many colors. How do you do it? The rainbow smiled gently. I shine when sunlight passes through rain, it said, but I don't try to be bright all by myself. I just let nature do its magic. Kelly sighed, so you don't try to shine, you just let it happen. The rainbow nodded. That's right. I simply be what I am meant to be. And that's enough. Still, Kelly wasn't sure. She floated through the sky all afternoon, feeling a little dull and ordinary. What's special about a plain white cloud like me? She mumbled. That evening, something changed. As the sun began to set, the sky turned soft orange, rosy pink, and glowing purple. The light hit the clouds, including Kelly, and made them sparkle like they were painted with gold. Look at the sky, cried a little boy down below. The clouds look magical. Kelly looked at herself and gasped. She was glowing, really glowing, not like the sun, not like the rainbow, but in her own soft, dreamy way. I am shining, she said with joy. Old Grumble the rain cloud floated over with a proud chuckle. See, Kelly, you didn't have to try to be sun. You just had to be patient. Even clouds have their time to shine. Kelly beamed, well, as much as Cloud could. She had tried so hard to be someone else, not knowing that her own kind of beauty was waiting all along. From that day on, Kelly floating happily across the skies, proud to be a cloud, she rained gently on flowers and gave shade on hot days. And sometimes, even without trying, she glowed in the sunsets, and whenever a little cloud whispered, I wish I could shine, Kelly would smile and say, just be yourself. That's the most beautiful thing you can be. The moral of the story, being yourself is enough. You don't need to be like the sun or the rainbow. Your own light will shine when the time is right. If you like this story, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Baby's Boo World. See you in the next story. Bye bye.